Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the 8-ball pool mod menu. You get unlimited money, white ball, cue ball hack, black ball, win after pot it, long guideline, foul hack, freeze all balls. So it's super cool. You can see my money right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. It's pretty simple. You just want to go to zoomods.com and find the 8-ball pool mod. You can search it up if you do not see it, but after it downloads, there is going to be a verification you have to do, which is pretty easy. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we just have to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to download and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So here we go. So let's just let it do its thing. Alright, and we're going to get on with it. So basically guys, it's going to bring us to a new page. And on this page, it's going to say, please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. Additional files are required. So they're going to show you like 4 apps. You have to download 2 of them and complete the instructions. You can see Family Island says reach level 15. Pogo is different. Rewarded Play is different. So just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the Play Store or the App Store if you're on an iPhone, and then just download and complete the instructions. But I don't know what you're going to see because I'm in the US. So these are the ones they showed me. But I hope you guys enjoyed. You can see all the money I got. So yes, it's super crazy. All the settings are here, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is so cool and it fully updated. So yeah, if you're an 8-ball pool fan, then you're going to be really excited by this mod menu. I haven't been banned for using this or anything like that. So it's pretty epic. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get 8-ball pool mod menu today. So yeah, peace out, bro.